Read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamu alaikum. Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope, Alhamdulillah, you all are fine. So, today we taught to the students letter J, its formation and vocabulary words. Okay, how we taught them? Start from the dot, come straight down, turn the loop, put a dot on the top. It will make small letter J. The letter name is J. The sound of J is J, 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 J. अब यहाँ पर हमने क्या पढ़ाया? Joker, jam and jar. अब घर में बच्चे को जूस बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You could keep the juice on the table and speak it aloud. J says J, 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 J. Juice, J, 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 juice. After that, here is a statement. The joker likes to eat jam from a jar. Then you could ask different questions about joker, about the color of jam. And after that, we taught them mime. हमने उनको mime करवाया. कैसे? Up and down, jump, 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 like a frog. Jump, jump, jump. J says J, J, J. I hope so you like this lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.